2.
Cody says, Ethan, I've been dying to see a live reaction to this new Trump goof. Okay.
Remember, I was going to say, I was going to use an expression, we have to keep our country gay, but it's not. I mean, for some reason.
Holy fuck, what's going on here, bro? There's something in the water. Alex Jones was right. Yo, they got a fucking ad for coins right next to this?
Of course they do.
Yo, you guys, get your free Trump silver coin. Text Trump to 98998999989.
What is the silver coin?
It's like the ultimate like grifter libertarian scam. It holds its value. You bury it in your yard. I don't really know. Okay, I gotta watch that again. Shit.
Country. Remember, I was going to say, I was going to use an expression, we have to keep our country gay, but it's not. I mean, for some reason, it's just not great anymore. And we can name
Oh shit, that was so good.
I love you.
Wait,
I
let's
am not
compare.
a gay man.
Wait, hold on. Let's compare him to Fousey real fast.
Yeah, it's the fumble.
Get me with it, Zach.
I felt gay.
Fumble is perfect.
I felt that like that just based on what they told me.
Okay, wait.
I was going to use an expression, we have to keep our country gay, but it's not. For some reason,
I felt like that just based on what they told me.
Yo, thank you so much, Cody.
Yeah, shout out Cody.
That was so much
I will
fun.
pull that.
That was so much fun. Wow. Tremendous.
Smash that like button.
$3,200 DPI.